Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Let's now correct the code and take a look at the resulting outcome. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.